Hi, this is Helen from Little Metal Foxes, and I am doing a little, I don't know, tip for your Ultralite Beehive Kiln Studio Pro. Yeah, I'm never get it right. Ultralite Studio Beehive Kiln. Anyway, it's this thing right here. It's so cute and very handy. So, the other day, I was firing a piece that was like this. This is the 950, quote, not sterling but sterling uh, metal clay. And I had a wee bit of an accident. I just assumed that I could crank it up to a top temp because it's not supposed to get over 1600 degrees, but apparently it got over 1600 degrees. So I had to buy a new element and fix my kiln. Also, in the process, melted my lid because I often, or I always fire actually with fiber blanket on top just to make sure that the heat is even, when you're heating. But apparently, because I let it rip to its very top temperature and had the fiber blanket on top, I melted my lid as well. So, to install a new element, ignore this right here. These little screws don't have anything to do with it. They just, I've thought that that's because there aren't any instructions on the website. But I thought that I had to unscrew these to undo the wires. Let me get the wires. I still have them. Pardon for the bouncy. I need to get a different holder for my phone because I don't normally do this. So here is the connectors for the heating element. These plug in and slide on to the inside of this section right here. And then, because I cut the wires to remove the element on the top, there are little wires that stick out of here and that stick to here. So and there's two holes. And so you thread the new element through the two holes. Oh, actually, it's also, just FYI, it's super easy to just pull that out. So you can see here, this is where you're going to be popping in the new wires, and they go through the bottom of the kiln just like that. And so let's get this back in its orientation. Just make sure that your wires underneath aren't like bent, but they can be moved around accordingly. Anyway, so that's as simple as it gets. It just, you're gonna wire in the element through the thing, and then just slide on the little nodes to the backside. So super easy in case you need to get a new element like I did. And you can also order a new lid. I just haven't bothered to get a new lid yet. But I did also get, so this doesn't necessarily happen again, so I don't ruin my element. I did also get, they sell additional firing discs, and so that is going to now go inside. And according to the website, the Ultralite Studio Pro Beehive Kiln, this has really good heat transfer, so you're not going to lose a lot of heat between the element and the top of this. And then when you have a properly working lid, you can also use this, putting it right on top of the lid, and dry your other PMC or other clay elements on top here. So hopefully that was a really helpful little quick tip. And if you be an enthusiastic user of your uh, ultralight beehive kiln, here you go. Now you know how to change out the element when you need to. All right, thanks.